Hello! On this tutorial, I would like to present our new tool orientation strategy for automatic arc. The feature has three main options: fix, tangential, and tilted. For this tutorial, we'll use automatic arc with tilted option. We will input an arc radius and a minimal arc radius. We will press OK and calculate. Here is a simulation on the machine of the tilted option. And also, here is the simulation for the fix option.